So in question 1 of the final, we got the following problem. We got a figure with a vector A going this way, and it has an angle of 30 degrees. Then we have a vector B. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. This is the positive side, this is the negative side. So vector B should be on top. Has also a degree of 30. One thing we also know is that each vector has a magnitude of 5 newtons. So vector A has 5 newtons for the force, and vector B has also 5 newtons for force. In this problem, we gotta find and sketch vector C in this problem, whose magnitude and direction are such that vector A plus vector B plus the vector C will add up to 0. Now, there was an option on the exam. I'm just gonna redraw again. Vector B, A, and whatever the angle was. So the first option was that vector C could have been this one, but in this case this is wrong. The vector in the middle, in between B and A, is the vector A plus B. So we also notice that vector A plus vector B will be in the upward direction. So vector A, vector B. So our vector C, as we add a map with A and B, is gonna give us 0. So that means the vector C has to go in the downward direction. So we already discarded one option, which was this one, and there's 2 more options. Vector A, vector B. So the other one option was that vector C was gonna go this way, and this is wrong because it's not going in the downward direction. The other option was this one, vector C going to the head of vector B. Now this is wrong as well, so the only option left would be this one. Sorry, this was A, B, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. This was option D, and this is the correct answer. Because if we add the vector A plus B, this one that we just found, we add them up to vector C, upwards and downwards direction, that should give us 0.